Welcome to Vitality Access. Did you know that there are proven methods to help you stop snoring immediately? No more restless nights. No more arguments with your spouse or sleeping in separate rooms. Individuals who snore are all too familiar with these scenarios, but it doesn't have to continue. Tip 1. Eliminate the presence of dust, pet hair and cigarette smoke from your home. These types of allergens make it difficult to breathe and especially bothersome for individuals who have been diagnosed with allergies. When breathing becomes difficult, air passages are restricted and this leads to snoring. Lying down at night can make these problems worse, so it's best to rid your home of allergens and always use air filtration units in every room of the home, especially in the bedroom. Tip 2. Use an anti-snoring device. This device used to prevent snoring caused by vibration of the tongue. They push the lower jaw and tongue forward to increase the space for airflow in the pharynx, thereby preventing vibration of the tongue in this region. Tip 3. Sleep on your side instead of your back. Studies show that people who sleep on their back tend to be more likely to snore than those who are side or stomach sleepers. Tip 4. If you suffer from allergies, sinus infections or have been diagnosed with a cold or the flu, try inhaling steam from hot running water before bedtime. This will help to open up the air passages naturally and allow you to breathe easier, which may reduce snoring. Tip 5. Try using 2 standard pillows instead of 1. With your head elevated slightly, your air passages may not become so restricted. Often, passages become blocked when fatty tissue in the throat relaxes and makes it difficult to breathe. Snoring is often the result, but having an extra pillow may help to solve the problem. This video is intended for informational purposes only. It should not be used as, or in place of, professional medical advice. Before beginning any treatment for snoring, please consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and remedy.